22, verse 63 to 70. The man them where did that guard Jesus start laugh off of him and beat him up. Then put cloth over him eye and say, so you say you're a prophet? So tell we, who lick you? And them say all sort of terrible thing against him. When morning come, the group will make up the rest of the priests and the law teacher them meet up and the order for Jesus come before them. Them say, if you are the Christ, tell we. Jesus answer, if me tell you no not go believe me. And if me ask you no not go answer. From now on, the man where God pick, I go sit down at the right hand of God, where powerful. All of them ask him say, so you are God pick me? Jesus answer and say, are you say so? A God what this? Thank God.